And the Robo-Teens, as they are called, are here with 4 boys and 3 girls who are here to better understand the advantages of collaboration both in and out of their country.
And their GSC advisors were actually WPI students that helped them out and answered any questions they had in the process. And we can see Team Nigeria teamed up with Bolivia and Dominica on the Hydro Alliance up against Argentina, Iceland, and Russia on the Aqua Alliance.
So again, as those 50 water particles make their way out from underneath the bridge, it is controlled chaos. As we get the telestrator up, we've got 3 and now 4 teams that are inside of that river. Meanwhile, we've got 1 that's up on the bridge trying to get those 4 points right there. So you've got some that are trying to put balls away. You've got some that are trying to get some in terms of trying to accrue them and then get them over to those water reserves. So it is, again, controlled chaos out there. Different responsibilities and roles being featured by all of these teams. Right now, Bolivia going down that ramp, even though they have put quite a few, it looks like, of those contaminant balls already into their lab. You can see it in that top right corner of the screen where we just got the thumbs up from someone who's on the field working it right now.
And over there, it looks like Iceland is trying to do the same, carrying over its contaminated particles up the hill in order to drop them off for Team Aqua to even out that score.
You got 3 teams on each side of the field now. And with respect to Iceland, they're trying to make their way up that bridge, and I think they're being pushed actually by Argentina, one of their teammates and comrades in arms again for that Aqua Alliance. We've got the sorting of these robots that's exhibited in that 1 and 2 set. So it looks like Iceland's robot's doing a very effective job as we clear that telestrator for you, but they are just unloading right now with those 4 pointers, doing a great job for Aqua, and it's probably going to pump them in the lead in a couple of seconds, as it does, right as I say, at 3 points up now.
As we've mentioned, that all 10 contaminant balls have been placed in the laboratory, so if they're able to actually remove those contaminant balls from the river, both teams still have that chance to get those 15 points as a cooperation bonus.
Now we got a couple of robots that look like they're tied up in the middle of that river right now with 30 seconds to play and only about a 15-point game. It's looking kind of tight as we hit these last 20 seconds.
Hopefully they'll be able to make it out of that river and to the edges as the incoming flood comes. We can see Argentina start to hang up, try to get their hang ready, as well as Russia as they hook over that bar as we hit the last 10 seconds. You can see Iceland already successfully in the air and Russia soon to follow. Oh no! They weren't able to keep themselves up, and unfortunately they were unable to hang in the time remaining. Take a look at the score from that final round. It will be up here in 1 second. So a score of 106-65. Nigeria, Bolivia, and Dominica, the Hydro Alliance, will take the victory. You can see those water points, 34 of those has really brought them over the edge.
As we start getting towards the finish line here in DAR Constitution Hall, we do want to take the time to focus on celebration, which is thematically the purpose of this 6th round. And in terms of celebration, we also want to take it out to a team that is doing just that right now with respect to representing their country. Team Colombia is waiting out in the pit for us right now. We'll take it away.